Health Benefits Part 2, Muscle Mass and Hydration. It is well known that having protein after working out helps build lean muscles mass, but not all proteins are equally effective. There is reason the proteins found in milk, whey, and casein are the most commonly used in nutrition supplements designed for maintaining or growing muscle mass. Milk contains high quality proteins that provide all the essential amino acids needed to build and maintain muscle mass. Milk's unique blend of casein and whey contain amino acids in a protein which has been shown to reduce muscle breakdown. Whey is a fast acting and quick absorbing protein with a high concentration of leucine, a branched chain amino acid. Leucine specifically stimulates the building of new muscle tissue. Milk also assists with rehydration after exercise by replacing fluid and electrolytes, for example, sodium and potassium, in the right balance. Other nutrients in milk, like protein, help the body to retain fluid more effectively. For more information on how dairy can support an active lifestyle and help reach your fitness goals. Second, reducing the risks of disease. Dairy products play an important role in maintaining a healthy diet and reducing the risk of serious disease. There are few examples. A healthy lifestyle and diet can help reduce your risk of heart disease, and studies show that people who regularly a healthy diet, including a variety of foods from the 5 food groups such as fruit, vegetable, and milk, cheese, and yogurt, can help you manage your blood pressure. Additionally, multiple studies indicate that 3 daily serves of milk, yogurt, and cheese is linked to a reduced risk of hypertension. The Australian Cancer Council states overall the proven health benefits of dairy foods outweigh the unproven harms. The Australian Diet Guidelines state that foods from the dairy food group are linked to a reduced risk of colorectal cancer. A review which combined the effects of 16 separate studies and over 5,20,000 people found higher intake of all. Thanks. Please subscribe it and like it, the channel, and do favor.